Hey everyone, it's Deb, and I am coming on today to show you something that I made using a new die set that I got from Scrap Diva Designs. That's her information. It's the 3x3 envelope with liner, and I just want to show you some cute things that I made using that. So I did cut out the envelope, and that is the envelope, that cute little 3x3 envelope. I used the Recollections Michael's paper, Be My Valentine and Sweet on You. And then I did use a trim, two trims from Hobby Lobby. I don't think you can get this one anymore. I couldn't find it on the site, but you can definitely get this. So the little rose is this trim, obviously, and then that lace is that other lace trim. Sorry about that. So I'm going to show you a little bit close up here. I put a Velcro dot on that to close it, and then I added the little cut aparts from those two collections to this, but you could add so many other things to it and it would be super cute. And I think this would be great for a junk journal, Happy Mail, swaps, whatever. Here's this one. It's going to be the same thing, the Velcro closure, and then the lace on the back of it. The same here, using that bow paper, and there you go. The lace on the back of that one. I think now I need that white lace. Same here with that one. And then the lace on the back. Just super, super cute. This is a very cute collection. I did punch out the heart circles and then the stitched circles, the smallest size. I was trying to use her stamp set, but I don't have a block to put my stamps on, so I need to get a block, and once I do that, I will make these little, whatever you call these. I'm not even sure what to call them, but anyway, I will make those, and I'll show you those. I will probably add those to cards, okay? But I cut out the liner, and the liner does not fit in the envelope for some reason, or I'm doing something wrong. If you have any ideas, please let me know. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you, this quick little project. Have a great day, guys. Bye.